Hey guys, Marcel Irnie here. I wanted to give you an update as we're on Project Morpheus. I've done a video like this before on my second channel. Why don't you come over here, Robert? I want to show what's going on here. Now, in the past, when I first got the 2015, you have your clutch here, and the wind on the straightaway would slightly push on the clutch. And what that would do is there's these tabs back here. You see that, Robert? Mm-hmm. So when the clutch is coming out, this top tab that I have locked down would be released. Now what that tab is for is to tell the QuickShifter to not operate. So now let's take a look at the one on Morpheus here. So as the clutch starts to move, you see right here, Robert? You see how the tab comes out?
Yep.
So QuickShifter works, QuickShifter doesn't work. And that is a problem when you're going, 180 miles per hour down the track and all of a sudden you're like 5th to 6th and your QuickShifter doesn't work. So we ripped apart, all the stuff this is at Big Willow back in 2015, first time with the new 2015 BMW, trying to figure out, I was on the phone with BMW and then we came up with the idea to check the switch here. And essentially, by eliminating that one little switch, like I did on this guy, you eliminate that problem completely. Now, how did I do that? Why is that locked in there? Well, you see this tab right here is locking it down. And then, mind you, the bottom one is when the clutch is fully engaged to activate launch control, as an example. So here you have the stock guy. What you do is you take this piece off, which is, I don't know, look at it, it's like it was meant to be. So that's why they have this here. And it's Loctited in, mind you, so we're gonna use Loctite because you don't wanna, the screw can pull out pretty easily. So I'm removing the screw. Oh look, I don't even have to remove it all the way. I rotate it, and now I'm holding that pressure plate in, and then you lock it back down. But I'm gonna do this again with Loctite, but I'm just showing you guys how simple it is. And lock it down. And voila. Now it is deactivated. That one little part, Robert, you want to zoom in here one more time to show people, all I did is rotate this bottom piece on the clutch actuator and now it is always being held in, so the QuickShifter is always going to work. It's not going to be in the safety mode. And so that is the clutch switch on the 2015 to 2019 BMW S1000. So if you have a problem with your QuickShifter, check the clutch switch. Back to work.